I saw, dude. I'm doing my best.
Well,
Dan! I'm sorry, he's new here. Oh my gosh.
what? Oh, dude.
We're gonna go with the thing. Are we going? Are we streaming? Are we going right now? Are we not? You have the mic off? What's happening? Let me know.
We are filming.
We're filming right now.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
All right. We are gonna go do Skate Everything Wars in that store right there. I found the entrance. Let's walk out.
Hey you guys, we're here today. If there's something going on with the camera, if you notice a little something different, we just got a brand new camera. We're learning how to use it. Bear with us. It's a very professional camera and it's the level of professionalism that we are not fully used to yet. So bear with us for a few videos. But we're here today in a hallway with a forbidden door that Mowgli has just gone inside. We don't really know what he's doing, but we know we're here next to a Zumiez. So Zumiez is a clothing store. What is Zumiez count? Zumiez is a lifestyle.
And it is the second best skate shop next to Active Skate Shop.
So we got some controversy. Is Zumiez a skate shop? Does it count as an actual skate shop?
Yeah.
Leave it in the comments below.
It's a skate store, like a toy store. Yeah, like
that's
Toys
true.
R Us.
That's true. So we're here today for an episode of Skate Everything Wars. For those of you who don't know what that is, basically it's gonna be Mowgli versus Uzi. We're gonna have two cameras. These two are gonna go into the store and they have to pick out something for the other person to skate on. You have a $100 limit. You can pick whatever you want. I have an idea of how this video is gonna go, but we will see how it goes.
Let me tell you one thing right now. I'm gonna win because I'm gonna go to Santa Claus after this and I'm gonna tell him what I want for Christmas. You see that big tree? Let's look at that real quick. Look at that tree. That is exactly why we are gonna win. And if we lose, you know what? Maybe I wasn't a nice guy in 2018.
Your eyes are all red in the camera. It looks pretty scary.
All right, so we're gonna get going. The store is pretty small, so I don't think we need a time limit. So we're just gonna go in there. I will take Mowgli, you can have Uzi.
You're telling me we're buying something to skate in a skate shop?
Yes, skateboards are allowed. Just get creative with it.
All right, hold up. Where are you going? Let's go, Uzi.
Right,
Wait, I got the best idea.
All right, we all good to go?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, I'm ready when you are.
All right.
What?
I got a great idea. We'll see. I'll probably get vetoed.
Look at what I noticed. They sell these. Are these skate shoes?
He's probably gonna get me a skateboard,
So insane.
and I'm gonna get him a cruiser.
Yeah, I don't know if you'd be able to buy one for 100.
I buy a complete cruiser, and he has to put wheels on it and trucks on the other side.
Dude, Primitive is killing it. Look at this stuff. How could you not?
You have to.
All right, let's see.
What if I just pick like a bunch of jackets, or like 50 layers of grip tape could make a deck?
Adidas. One of my favorite skate shoes.
Like 50 sheets of grip tape.
Hey, can you
Into like a-
get out of our store? Thanks.
Hey, bounce, playa. We over here.
We should actually look at the boards though.
Look
What
at
if they
his
have really
backpack.
weird ones?
Oh, wow. That's nice. Probably over 100 though, huh?
Oh yeah, the limit. Yeah, you're right.
Ah,
Hey, this grip looks kind of cool.
What is that, Habitat?
Yup.
there's 109. SpongeBob.
Looks really good.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I got a genius idea.
Would you like to
Do you have any advice for me to buy a certain type of board? Like, you know, you're more experienced. Last time I asked.
Yeah, well, this
Last time I
looks like it's gonna be more of like a regular game of full park skate.
All
So if
right.
I were you, I would just look out for like weird shapes, something that'll just throw them off a little bit.
I got it.
There's one, like I'm looking at one right now.
I think I found the board.
Oh, it's a little one. How much is it though?
$89.
Oh. Dang. Bad boy looking good. And it's not. What size does Dan
It
ride?
doesn't matter.
That's why.
You get him whatever you want.
Well,
Dan!
Dan?
Uzi.
Stop dropping things, Dan.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, he's new here.
You guys are good.
What?
Did he just?
Just like the old-fashioned saying, dude, you break, you buy. You know, it's all good.
There you go.
See, Dan, stop dropping things or we're gonna have to buy them. What is this?
I don't know what that is.
This is the bowling balls they used to use in the caveman era.
Well, keeping it real, This is contender 1 right now, and
Well, my advice to you is just hold it so he can't.
that's true. Just like the boots incident.
No, put it away, Dan.
came here earlier.
No, put it away.
This is racist.
What are you doing?
They're saying I
No,
can't
we
get
grabbed it
these
first,
because
and he
they
can't
came
have
over
the same
here
things
first.
as us.
We
It's
came
ours.
over here right
Put
at
it
the
away,
beginning.
Dan.
We
Put it
came
away.
over here at the beginning.
No, I'm making the decision.
Did we
around
not?
Here. No,
we got the
that's ours.
footage.
All right.
They're cheating. I'm getting them a nice board. They're getting me this.
That might then be too easy.
This?
Are there any like weird shapes? Wait, why are you putting it down?
Because I won't even be able to skate it. He will. This is $60. Look at this thing.
That's a boat.
Yeah, nice picture.
And if he gets you that one, you could just like double flip it. Imagine trying to double flip that thing.
Go have fun with yourself. You know what they say? If you sleep with the dogs, you'll get fleas, I believe is the motto.
What's the motto?
It's like if you sleeping with the dogs, you'll get fleas. It's like you stooping to their level. That's what's happening here.
They're still at the front there. You're just gonna hide it?
He knows how to speak Japanese, and we got around really easily.
What you doing back here, Dan?
Hey, what you doing back here?
Oh, hey. I didn't see you there.
I mean, I'm doing my best.
You
So
really are.
this board, shades. Look at him. I see him.
I saw, dude.
Let's go bother them.
No, these are what you gotta get.
I wanted the clout glasses. Dude, you could pull that off. Look at.
Hey, so how's it going over here, huh? Looks like you guys haven't really done anything.
Now we're done.
Oh, you're done already, huh?
I'm digging the shades.
You like them?
Yeah. These shades too. Well then, if they're done, I guess we're done.
That's what you're going with?
Yeah.
Screen looks really strange for these.
The screen looks amazing. Oh my gosh.
What?
The freezer board is
Oh,
so nice.
dude!
We are gonna go with the freezer board.
Oh
I'm
my
putting this back.
gosh.
Yeah. That's
Yes.
the freezer board.
Dude.
$20 for these? We're under our budget though.
You gotta try these ones on.
Wow. Red.
Oh. Yes.
What are you doing with that?
Holding it just to make sure. I need to confirm that.
Well,
this
you
is
need
what
to
I
make.
want.
You can't buy both. You
I
need
know
to
that's
make,
why
you need to decide.
I'm holding to confirm.
Back to 29. So you get it for 19, like $20.
You want this? Oh, I'm getting that.
Okay.
Hey Dan, you really want the glasses? Remember that one time when you were supposed to get me FPs and you didn't? Go ahead and put those glasses back.
I don't think it's ringing a bell.
Well, I think you're even now.
I think we're even now.
You're not getting grip or anything, Dan?
Oh, maybe I should get grip.
Well, I guess he's skating it without grip. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries, guys.
I tried to get you grip.
It's okay. It's okay. It's a little more even now.
It's part of the challenge.
What have we discovered, Dan?
Dan says he hates Christmas, but he has a tree. He puts ornaments on it. He gives
He's gonna
gifts.
take a picture with Santa.
He wanted an ugly sweater. He loves Christmas.
Are you sure you hate Christmas, Dan?
I just don't appreciate Halloween disappearing so quick, you know?
Well, you know, it happens. It happens.
See?
I mean, Christmas goes and then it's New Year's.
But you know what? Christmas is just the second Halloween, you know?
So I'm a carve a pumpkin and
What,
put it
like,
out.
what do you think about the fans of Thanksgiving? What do you think they feel about this?
Probably really sad.
But you can't keep acting like you don't like Christmas, though. I know you like Christmas.
Some aspects of it are okay, I guess.
If you think about it this way, nothing is stopping you from dressing up on Christmas.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
just dress up as an elf.
On Christmas, I'll do it. Okay. If anyone says anything, I'll be like, Uzi said it was fine.
And now the challenge begins. We're gonna go to Fremont Skate Park, we're gonna set these boards up, and then we're gonna swap and begin the epic game of full park skate to see who comes out on top in Zumiez Skate Everything Wars. This could be the most controversial episode of Skate Everything Wars ever. So if you think it is, leave it in the comments below. What is your opinion on Zumiez? What do you think of the whole Zumiez versus regular skate shops thing? Just chime in. Create a whole discussion right down there in the comments section. Let us know what you think. And we'll see you in a second. I'm gonna snap and then we'll see you there.
Welcome to Fremont Skate Park. Are you ready for Skate Everything Wars?
I truly am.
Dan? Begin the build.
Look how big this board is. None.
No one.
None.
Are you gonna start building?
How wide is that board? None.
You know what? I don't have a razor, so I'm gonna just cut. I don't got grip, so I'm gonna make this fair.
You bent this table. You did a kickball. Look at it.
Yep. Who do you think is winning this game, Dan?
I'm ugly.
You know how much faith you have in me, Dan?
I just think that board
Dan,
is much
this
harder
is
to
how much
skate.
faith you have in me. Fun story. You want to hear the fun story? Okay, so Gabe's got his board stolen from here a couple times. We roll up, or no, I roll up because I was running behind because I stopped to get a drink. I see Gabe's car. I see someone walking away from Gabe's car with this board and the wrapper with a piece of it ripped. And when we were walking, I ripped a piece of the wrapper. So when I come up, I'm like, yo, that's our board. And then they're like, no, it's not. And I was like, I'm pretty sure that's our board. They're like, no, it's not our board. Are you kidding me? And then I was like, where'd you get it? And he's like, the guy gave it to me. And I was like, what guy? And then he's like, this guy right here across the parking lot. And that guy's like, what's the problem? I'm like, I'm pretty sure you took our board. And he's like, no, I gave it to him. I was like, where'd you get it? He's like, I won it. I was like, where? He's like, at a contest. And this dude is like older, so I'm like, you won it at a contest. Okay. Turns out they really did. This was in Gabe's trunk. It's the exact same board. But what are the odds? Somebody gets the same board, rips it the same way. It happened. I think I should go buy a lottery ticket today or something.
Dan, are you going all 4 bolts?
Am I not supposed to?
Oh. Wow, Mogs, look at that.
I gave him this little line to, you know, like,
Hey, if you got an extra
This is the
strip of grip,
tail.
I'll give it to you.
it's all here. If you want this.
Yeah.
So is Vegeta the nose? Which one do you want your nose to be?
That's the nose for sure.
Did you not get grip tape?
No, we forgot, of course.
I only got
actually
grip
said,
tape.
Let's get grip, and you said no.
Yeah, because we'd already paid Dan.
Oh, I got it.
Nigel, who do you think is winning this challenge?
You guys are jerks.
I think Uzi got to. Look at this fresh board. He has control with this.
This is a one of a kind. One of one. Not only, besides the fact that I saw the exact same board when I was getting here, this is a one of one. Because you know what? They didn't have this grip job. Look how much grip I got. Watch. You see how much grip?
Does this on me in a game of skate? Because it's such a small handboard.
Does it anything counts?
Just regular.
Looks like a blind person put together that grip. Mine, on the other hand, piece of art.
All right, Rochambeau, let's see who goes first.
Damn it.
Told you I've never lost a game of rock, paper, scissors.
What the heck?
I'm the longest standing world record winning rock, paper, scissors holder there is.
All your tricks.
Dude, this thing is gonna break. Kickflip.
Young kick flippers.
You reach for that one.
Wow.
Okay, man.
It looks sick.
Okay. I picked the wrong board. Double flip.
Have you ever done that before?
I'm just starting to get comfortable on this with a normal board. I'm gonna take a letter because I don't
You
want
take a letter?
Dan, you were doing this yesterday.
I know on a normal board.
Yeah.
This board's sketchy though.
Just do it. Hey, who are you? Huh? You Zidane, huh? You
Italian.
Zidane. You're Italian. You're gonna do it, okay? Hey, come on, man. Come on, it's the Uzi. You got to do it.
I'm gonna die on this.
Come on.
S.
Just try it.
Go on.
That's a letter.
Backside flip.
Wow. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna just go into the little bowl and then 360 out, back 360 out.
All right.
Kickflip back 50.
Kickflip back 50.
Yeah.
Oh, man down.
Body.
Wish I had a nose. I'm gonna say that every time. Wish I had a nose. How am I supposed to nose manual without a
Uh-oh.
nose? I gotta write it backwards.
Same thing. Look at this.
Nah. This is Voldemort.
I'll allow it.
That was good.
That was sick.
Hey, he thought outside
Thumbs
the
up.
box.
Yeah, that was smart.
That was amazing.
Bro, do you see what I'm working with? Did you see my foot fly off on flat ground ollie? I don't even think I can ollie that high with this.
I think you can.
I can't even ollie that high.
See?
Whatever, I got the letter. My flat ground skills. Here we go.
All right.
Yeah, that bird's got some attitude.
The what?
He said, "Pee."
Who?
The bird.
What bird?
That bird right there. All right, I got an idea, okay? This little, the ramp, okay? What could he be doing on the ramp, you might be asking yourself? Well, keep asking yourself that, because you'll see.
Are you kidding me?
I leaned too much. This board's pretty big, so I put it
You
on.
think I was done, right? You think, look out. I'm coming. If you think I'm gonna switch ollie the 5 on this thing that has no nose,
That was rude.
Huh?
That was rude.
Rude. You're the one that told me to go off the 5.
I told you to ollie it because it's something you would try. Yeah, you can do that.
yeah, okay, Gabe. Sure I can.
You got it, Dan. What are you doing?
Missing a bolt. Trying to sabotage me. No nose. 1 bolt. 5 stairs. 75 degrees. You gotta count in the numbers for this type of thing, Gabe. Especially when you're out of your element. I'm used to having a nose on my board. I told you. It was 76 degrees. Ah, miscalculated.
And the winner of this episode of Skate Everything Wars is
I call this rigged.
Honestly,
Mowgli.
if I have
I
a
didn't
few
have a
words
nose.
to say, originally I wasn't supposed to have grip, and
Hey,
he
that's
was
fine.
he was generous.
I would
So-
take that with no grip over no nose.
Yeah, so like I think the game would have been different without grip, because I don't think I would have done half the things in this.
Hey, it's okay, you know.
I'm just saying, you know,
You
I've
played
seen
dirty
Uzi.
and disrespectful and straight up insulting, but it's okay, you know. Like it happens sometimes.
I've seen Uzi play Skate Everything Wars way too many times. He goes too easy. He tries to be too nice. Sometimes you just gotta go for the throat. If I were you, as soon as he put down that other weird board, I would have grabbed that and used that.
I thought this was comparable to something.
Well,
But I actually no. You know what? I
For
should have
lack
picked.
of better judgment.
I should have picked second. That was my problem. You always want to go second. Pick
Do you have
the
anything to
boards.
say about this, Nigel?
Called it.
You guys are mean. And frankly,
There's some
and
videos
frankly, I don't
right
like the
there.
attitude around here.
Go ahead and subscribe, like, leave a comment below, check out those videos, and let us know what store we should go to next for Skate Everything Wars and who should participate.
And what board should have a nose?
Salty!